1 second. Now I have to turn up my thingy, my brightness, so you guys can see me clear. But today I'm gonna be telling you guys what I'm gonna be doing today. So you guys already know I'll be coming up with my slime videos or my bucking videos. But today is gonna be another slime video because I made some slime, guys. And if anybody know a name for this slime that I have, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of it. If anybody have a name for this slime, put it down in the comments because I need you guys to literally subscribe, comment. Well, subscribe, like, hit them thumbs up, and comment if you like this video. If you don't, I will leave a door in the description below for the haters. And if you guys want to see other people make slime, all you have to search up is slime satisfying, and you will see everybody with slime. Sorry, guys. So without further ado, let's get into our video. Okay, guys, so today the slime I'm going to be showing you guys is the slime that I said I do not have no name for it yet. Hold on a second. I need something to like hold up the phone. And so I'll just use this one. So you guys, first I'm gonna hold the phone. So you know I can't leave y'all hanging like that. Y'all already know that. And today I might be flooding with videos, or maybe tomorrow, because today, right now, as you guys can see, it's 4:58. And usually, I have on my school clothes still because, like, I get home at like 3 something, guys. 3 something. I don't know, but if today I won't flood with videos, tomorrow I will definitely. I won't leave you guys hanging. You know that. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the slime. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to set up the camera right now. Guys, I need to put this camera up somewhere. Like, I need to like stand it up because I want you guys to like see the slime when I'm playing with it, because that's what I made this video for. But I will get right back to you guys, like, literally. I won't leave y'all. I won't. But give me like literally 30 seconds to get my thing. I'll be right back. So guys, as you can see, I do have my thing here now. So I'm gonna set the camera up if you guys can like literally see it. But if you guys, when I'm done with this video and I edit it and stuff and you guys can't see it, then I will do another one, because I will never do that to you guys. And yes, it is fake snow in it. Well, if anybody had to ask, it's crunchy butter slime. If anybody have a name for this, it could be purple storm, because like, or snowy purple, or purple snowy. So guys, one second, baby. So guys, this is my slime, and stuff from it. I know you guys can see it from here. So guys, I'm back. I had to go get something for my slime. And guys, if you guys don't have, sorry guys. If you guys do not have food coloring, it's okay because you can literally put some markers in it. But without further ado, guys, like I said, I need you to comment if you like this video, subscribe, and like. Next, I will be doing the Takis challenge. So let me get into my Takis challenge and stuff like that. You know, one of those good detailed stuff. You guys already know it. But without further ado, guys, this is the end of the video. I need you guys to comment, like, and subscribe, like I said in the beginning of my video, like I always say. And I need there to be views on my channel. And other people's channel that has lots of views, it will be down in the description. Like, I will still put the slime name so you guys could go on slime to see like other ways to play with slime. But without further ado, bye guys. Subscribe, like, and comment, like I said. Bye.